Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Cook. I know I started off this channel on cooking. I based everything on cooking. But however, I'll be branching out to other niche which include lifestyle. In the lifestyle, I'll be talking about health, technology. I'll also not forget my cooking. But today, basically, we'll be talking about technology. So today's topic is starting off in tech. Why do you need to start off in tech? Even if you don't want to start a career in tech, this video is for you, because in our daily activity we relate with laptop, internet of things, which include our smartwatches, our smartphones. There are a lot of things now we rely on technology. If you want to use your bank account, you are using technology. If you want to go online, get information, you're using technology. There's almost anything we want to do now that we don't need to use gadgets and technology. So it is best we have basic understanding of technology. This will help us in the way we relate to this technology, use them, and our understanding of them. If you have better understanding of technology, that will go a long way to make your work easier. Imagine you're a doctor, you will definitely be dealing with a lot of data. So if you understand basic concept of how data is being collected, used up, and processed by a computer system, it will make your life better as a doctor. Imagine somebody that is an accountant. Accountant works with data, a lot of figures, and a lot of softwares out there that help accountants in their daily activity. So if you have a basic knowledge of computer, what computer is, the input and output, how computer manage information, the binary functions of computer, it would help you go a long way in whichever career you're choosing. But here, if you choose also here because you want to start off in tech as a career and you don't know where to start off, you are already in the right place. Once again, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. For new subscriber, it's a pleasure to have you on board. And if you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. What are the resources that you can utilize to have that would help you have a good grasp of technology? We have a lot of free resources there. We have Google there. You can use your Google freely. It will direct you to a lot of resources that will explain whatever question you have about technology, including understanding computer yourself. And if you're the type that want to start career of technology, there are a lot of resources that we have. The Coursera that are giving a lot of free courses depending on the niche you choose: data, web design. And if you want certificate on Coursera, you'd have to pay for the certificate. But on Coursera, you can audit courses for free. Then if you need the certificate, you have to pay for the certificate. Udemy is there to pay some token, then you take those courses. There are a lot of resources out there. There's W3C schools there to help you. A lot of free resources out there. You almost not need to pay until maybe you want certification. That's when you pay for these courses. So that people usually have when they want to start off in tech. Imagine somebody that said he wants to start off in tech and the person does not even understand what an input device is, an output device, binary number, ASCII, basic terminology. I don't think you should just start off from front end or data analysis. I think you should go and understand the basic concept of that. So I'll be directing you to one of the best resources that you can use to get a good grasp of understanding of what technology is presently. That's the IBM Technical Support Certificate. The IBM Technical Support Certificate has 7 courses in it that will introduce and create a very good foundation for you to start off in tech. The first course is Introduction to Technical Support itself. Then we have Introduction to Hardware and some other one which include an Introduction to Cyber Security and a lot of courses. So amongst these courses, they will help you explain how your online presence is being perceived by a computer, how to securely browse on different websites, what to look out for when you are browsing, what is the meaning of random access memory, what is the meaning of ROM. When people are talking about front-end, back-end, what are they talking about? When people are talking about data scientists, data analysts, what are they talking about? When people are talking about cloud technology, which is a very broad topic, because the age we live in now, technology has gone beyond the monolithic pathway where people have to build how to spend a lot of resources to put in to set up a computer system, which includes the server, the infrastructure to put in things together. The world has gone beyond that. People are now talking about cloud technology. People are now moving their monolithic computer system to a cloud facility. So it is essential if you're starting a career in tech, you should understand the concept. Because imagine a front-end developer that doesn't understand that when I'm done with this, everything will still be deployed to a cloud facility. It would make your work laggy. You now have to be learning some other facts. Fine, you still keep learning on the job, but however, once you have a good foundation, it would place you on better ground for you to build faster. You don't have to start from the middle. Why not pick it from the beginner level, which is understanding basic concept about technology? So like I said, check out the IBM's technical support certificate. You would get everything you need. And in my next video, I will be introducing you to computer system itself, which will be more or less like a summary of the total knowledge I gained from the technical support system. But however, you can't compare it to the full certificate, but it's still best you go out there and take the certificate. What are the niche there in tech for somebody that wants to start a career in tech? We all use browser for our daily activity. Have you ever wondered how the browser gets this information? You go onto a browser, you type a website, which happens to be a domain name, either in HTTP or HTTPS URL, and the browser renders the information you're looking for. Have you ever wondered how this works? And have you ever wondered how you would navigate around the website? It's so structured. You would have a menu item there. You can have a navigation bar too. So have you ever wondered how this is being designed? All of these aesthetics you see is a work of a front-end developer in conjunction with a UI UX developer that has designed the page to be like that. And the front end works on it to make it productive the way you see it being done. And again, have you ever wondered that you input your value, you input your details like your username and your password, then you are directed to your own account? This is the basic work of a back-end developer. So to grasp all of this concept, at least it would be explained on my channel. I will try as much as possible. My subsequent videos, I will take all of this topic bit by bit and start explaining them. I'll start from scratch. But this videos basically is just to make you understand, just to open your mind to the world of technology. It's a very interesting what I tell you. Since when I picked technology as a career, I tell you I'm enjoying it. Though it can be very challenging at times, because at times you try solving problem and you can take hours, like an hour, 2 hours just to figure things out. But it's very interesting. And the other part of technology that is interesting is the open book method. I tell you, there's almost anything, like almost everything you need in technology is already out there. People have solved this problem. So all you need to do is to be able to surf the net to the right resources. I tell you, everything you need to succeed in technology is already out there. All you just need to do is to be able to find those resources. So have you ever also wondered how you see reports being virtualized? Like that means you see a table being structured in a report or a graph. That's where we talk about data analysts and the data scientists and the data architects. Data is another field of tech that is so broad too. Each niche of tech is so broad. So we would take this bit by bit, like I said earlier. So there's another aspect of technology called the cloud engineering, where we have the cloud architect, cloud specialist. They a lot of array in that niche too. So we have another aspect of technology, tech called the machine learning, the artificial intelligence. The world of tech, I tell you, you can't exhaust it. But thank you for joining today. And my next video, I'll try as much to pick up from where I'll be stopping today, which is just introducing you to the world of tech. In my next video, I'll be introducing you to computer itself. In subsequent video, I'll be talking about web designing using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then subsequent videos after that one, then I'll be talking about back end. We'll be using back end resources too to discuss back end. Then I'll be talking about data analysis too in my subsequent video. Please stay tuned. If you're yet to click the subscribe button, please do that now because you'll be missing a lot. And if you're yet to turn on the notification bell, please do it now. Catch you next time, next week.